Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check spam email on Gmail. And now let's dive right in. Now to check your spam mail on your Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account on which you want to check your spam mail. And after opening your Gmail account, on which interface, guys, at the top left corner of the screen on your phone, there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and this kind of menu will appear. You'll be required to scroll down on this menu, guys, and you can see, guys, when we scroll down, there is the spam option available for us just below the all mail. Tap on spam and all of your spam mails on your Gmail will be available over here, and this is the way you'll be able to view your spam mail on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.